Good morning, everyone. This is Jacob Folger, artist sculptor, and today we're going to make a dog. And we'll be working in Amico brand modeling clay, which is an air dry clay. It's a very nice clay to work with and very easy to sculpt. If you could, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you'll get a notification when I upload, and let's get to it. Okay, so I hope you got lots out of that. And so next we're going to put a really nice finish on them. And we have to let them dry in the oven. I'm going to put the oven on a warm setting, put it on a oven-safe dish, and then let him, mostly the idea is to just dry the surface of the clay, not the whole sculpture. You do want to make sure that he's properly blended, and you got all the undercuts and everything kind of filled in. You saw how I did that. I was taking little bits of clay and filling in those deep crevices and that sort of thing. And so you want to make sure you do a really good job of that. And then, if you want, you can put him in the oven for maybe 45 minutes at the most. He's a big piece of clay here, pretty hefty guy. But yeah, I say 45 minutes would probably do it, and then we'll start the finish. So there he is, cute little guy, cute little guy. We'll be back. Okay, we're back with our dog, and we're going to start the finish. And the base coat for the finish is black, and I'm using Utrecht Studio Series acrylic in deep black. You can use another black paint or whatever kind of paint you like. And let's see, so it's best if you have a flat or a matte black, and this paint is a matte black. And it's good if your brush is a little wet. Just makes the paint go on a little bit easier. And then with a little bit of clay mixed in with that. So, but yeah, so go around and paint him and do a really good job and get the paint into all the details, and do 2 coats. And once you've done that, we'll come back. Okay, we're back with our dog. It's all black, and we've got Johnson's Paste Wax here, and Pearl X Pigments in Antique Bronze. And I've got the bronze in a lid here for easy access. I'm going to get a little wax on my finger, like this, and then I'm going to swirl it on my thumb, like that. I'm going to dip it into the bronze, like that, and then I'm going to swirl that with my finger. Every time I go into the wax and the bronze, I do it the same way, okay? And then I apply it to the sculpture. And I do want lots of the black to be showing. I don't want to just make it all bronze. I want it to be an antique finish. That's what I'm trying to achieve. Okay, so now what I do is I take a small paintbrush and get a little wax on it, dab it off on the table, get a little bronze on it, dab it off, and I'll go in and just touch up where I wasn't able to get with my finger. And I do want bronze, and a little bit of bronze in those areas, and I'll just go in and touch that up. And then what we do is we wait about 10 minutes for the wax to harden, and we'll complete the finish. Okay, so the wax is hard now, and I'm just going to take a soft cloth and buff it a little bit, just go over it easily. So, keep in mind that it's fragile. Don't want to hurt the ears or anything like that. But the wax is paste wax, so it gets a nice sheen when you do this, and it brings out the bronze beautifully. So let's go around and do that. Really a very beautiful finish and very realistic, very much like bronze looks. So yeah, you can see it's really pretty. So that's about it. So here he is finished, and you can see it turned out pretty good. And yeah, so please give the video a like, share it with your friends and family, and leave me a comment. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section and I'll reply. And I think one question people ask me is do you need to seal it? And I would say no, it's a very durable finish, but it is meant for indoors. And yeah, so keep that in mind. And if you like this kind of content, please subscribe. I have lots of videos, over 500 I think, on all kinds of sculpting and painting and finishes you can do and jewelry making, all kinds of things. Yeah, so definitely subscribe, hit the bell icon so you can get a notification when I upload. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.